Ay mga abe, so ngayon traffic at galing tayo sa shoot sa kliyente natin, no? So mag-content muna ako kasi sa lahat ng mahilig sa camera, no, na sumusubaybay dito, shoutout muna natin si Gid Stories, si pangalan nito, si Kuya Balbas, si Nardino TV, no, yung mga mahihilig sa camera diyan. No, tsaka yung mga pala, kaya pala ako nagko-content dito ngayon. Yung mga yung matatagal na dito sa Canada, no? Hindi ba uso Facebook Market noon Marketplace? Uso pa noon, anong tawag dito? Uso pa noon Craigslist, no? Nung bago ako dito, tapos natutunan ko yung KGG. Alam mo mga abe, ang sabi ko nga lagi, ang biro ko, ang mga photographer na gipit sa KGG kumakapit. Anong ibig ko sabihin? Okay? Ang ibig ko sabihin, kung gusto niyo ng mga murang deal, no, ng mga camera or lente, sa KGG kayo pupunta. Kung gusto niyo na magbenta, no, doon kayo magpupunta. Normally kasi ginagawa ko noon, trade, no? Lugi ako sa trade. So, ngayon natutunan ko kay KGG kapag hindi ko na kailangan yung mga lente o yung camera o kahit na anong gamit, pinopost ko lang sa KGG at nabibili naman, no? So kahapon nagpost, isang 3 weeks ago, nagpost ako ng lente, yung Viltrox, no? Viltrox is a company na gumagawa ng mga third party lenses para sa Nikon, para sa Sony, Fujifilm. Ewan ko lang kung meron din sila sa Canon no? Pero normally yung Nikon, Fujifilm and Sony, gumagawa sila mga murang lenses. So binenta ko yung Viltrox na 85mm, equivalent niya is 1 of 5mm sa full frame. Kasi hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Hindi ako kasi mahilig sa mga portrait, mahilig ako sa landscape videos and pictures, no? Nakita yung buong mahilig ako sa wide. So normally 24-35 yung aking focal length. Pinaka-tele na sa akin yung 50mm. So binenta ko. So ito yung mga pangyayari gamit ang aking Meta Glass. Hello mga abe. So ito pala, magandang araw sa inyo. Ibebenta ko tong lente na to ng Fujifilm 85mm. Sa full frame ito mga 105. Mark II ito, 1.8. Hindi ko na kasi ginagamit. So kesa matambak, pagkakitaan ko na lang uli para mapaikot ko yung pera. Tingnan natin yung mga kausap natin. Mazda daw yung sasakyan niya, blue. So na-spatan ko na siya. Dito ako lagi nakikipag-usap kasi matao, kabisado ko yung lugar. Baka ito na. Ito nga. Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, good.
This is Fujifilm, eh?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if that was your. I saw you walk. I was like, oh, I bet that's Steph.
Yeah. Check it.
Yo, cool. Thank you.
I'm not a fan of 85. I got a Mark 1 before,
Yeah.
but because of the hype, I bought a Mark 2.
Okay, good.
But I'm a 35 guy.
Yeah.
You have 40, right?
Different strokes for different folks, right?
Yeah. You have,
Yeah.
Is that a XT3?
This is a XT20.
20?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, I've had a couple different variations. I've had like 56s. I have a 135.
I'm not
on right now.
I'm not a fan of telephoto. Are you a fan of telephoto of like
It has its use, but the longer.
Let me hold it for you.
Oh yeah, thank
Okay.
you. The longer it gets, the shakier it gets.
Yeah. And I am a fan of zoom.
Yeah.
So I'm planning to buy the 1655 or 80 to 200, the 18 to 200
Yeah.
for the video.
Nice.
Right.
Very good.
Yeah, try.
Very good battery. Okay, good.
Try the autofocus, aperture. Let me hold the thing for you. Okay.
It's a good size. It's actually lighter than I thought it would be too.
Yeah. But for me, I'm doing some vlogs too, so I need something that all-purpose, right?
Yeah.
Just watch it. If you see the listing, I'm selling also my 16 to 80, right? You see that?
I saw it on there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah, that's the Mark II. Then the yeah, because when you do the Mark 1, it's a little bit slower.
It's quiet.
And yeah, and it's
Very
quiet too. The focus breathing is quieter.
Nice, man. Yeah, it's I like this focal length.
Hmm.
It's very close to what I'm looking at, if you know what I mean.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
If you're going for a concert, if you know somebody like for a show,
Yeah.
it's like auditorium. It's kind of good focal length.
How's the oh yeah, I guess I have to set up because it doesn't have the aperture ring, right? So I gotta set this guy up again.
Yeah, yeah. There's no yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly Viltrox they don't have the aperture ring, unlike the Fujifilm.
Yeah.
Yeah, or some other yeah. Yeah, but
Oh,
Fujifilm is
man.
Fujifilm. I sold my Sony too.
Yeah.
I sold first my Sony before the lenses.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I'm thinking like, oh my god, maybe nobody wants to buy the lens anymore, and that's why I
Yeah.
surprised you come in. Eh?
Oh man, I was actually searching around. I
Mhm.
came across
Yeah.
Viltrox like maybe a couple weeks ago.
Uh huh.
But, yeah, I can't justify the Fuji lenses right now. I'm like, you know, if I want to have some fun, it's
Yeah,
like,
just go. Yeah, that's why I have the 15 Viltrox.
Yeah,
And I'm selling the 16. Now you see the listing, right?
yeah. The 50, what's that, like a 1.2 or 1.4 or something?
Which the 15?
Yeah.
It's 1.4 and it's light,
Yeah,
right? And
That's
even
nice.
though somebody steal it or broke it,
yeah.
I'm not gonna cry because it's like how many? $300?
And like you
Yeah.
get like what 95% the quality of the Fuji lens for
Yes.
what, half the price.
Yeah, I know.
Good stuff, man.
All right, just hold it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. All good, brother.
Yes, thank you, sir.
You take care. I'm just
Take
gonna do my shopping now. Enjoy shooting, eh?
Yes.
All right, take care. Yeah. So yun lang mga abe, no? Paldo-paldo tayo ng pabentahan natin kasi ilalaan natin yun sa mga iba pang bagay na pwede natin paggamitan, no? Kasi nakatambak lang doon, bumababa yung value ng gamit, eh hanggat hindi pa siya ganun kababa, no, ibebenta na natin. Kaysa dumating yung panahon na halos wala na siyang value, wala na siyang bibili. Sayang lang, hindi napapakinabangan. So happy naman ako kasi yung bumili din Fujifilm shooter, talagang shoot siya. So good luck sa kanya and shoutout sa kanya, no? Salamat po at pinagkatiwalaan niyo ako. So ngayon mga abe, ito hindi sponsor ng KGG. Bukod sa marketplace, pwede nyo pagkatiwalaan ng KGG. Basta mag-iingat lang kayo at siguraduhin nyo lang yung kabisado nyo yung lugar kung saan kayo mag-meet up, no? At kasi yung iba lakas ng loob, no? Yung bahay nila mismo, yung doon nila sa bahay nila pinapupunta yung buyer o yung seller, no? Pero ako mas gusto ko ganito, meet halfway doon sa alam na lugar nyo, no? Kapag di kayo komportable, no, huwag kayo magdadalawang isip na mag-back out kasi para sa inyo rin yun mga abe. So yun lang mga abe, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Shoutout ko pala yung fans ng Kim Pao, no? Sana kahit papaano, kahit hindi Kim Pao tong kino-content ko, magustuhan nyo pa rin. At baka malay nyo, magkita-kita pa rin tayo dito sa Canada. Salamat po, best regards, Kuya JDL, bye bye.